Welcome to the tutorial on Tableau. So if you have a academic email, if you have an email that is provided by your academic institutions, or if you have a email provided by your company, then you can use this Tableau. So as a student, you can use this Tableau desktop free for 14 days. But if you have a email from your company, and if your company is using this Tableau desktop by paying, then you can use this Tableau desktop. Otherwise, if you don't have the academic email, or if your company is not using the Tableau, then you can download this Tableau public for practicing purpose. Suppose I'm going to use the Tableau public for practicing purpose. Initially, you have to create your account by signing up here. For signing up, you have to create your account. You have to provide your name, email, and password, then confirm password. Then you have to create your account by clicking here. After that, you will receive an email on the Tableau. Then you have to click this link for confirming your email and account. After confirming your email, if you need to download the Tableau public, then click on create, then click on Tableau desktop public edition download. Then you have to click sign in. So after clicking sign in, you have to mention your role, whether you are a personal user or research or a student. Then you can click yes if you are interested to receive the marketing related information. Otherwise, you can uncheck it and click on download the app. After that, you will receive this information that for downloading, you can click on the option. If you are using Windows desktop, then you can click Windows. So after clicking Windows, the software will start downloading. So it's downloading. After downloading the software, you have to click on here for installing the software. After installing, you have to click on the icon of the Tableau software for opening the Tableau. After opening the Tableau public edition, you can import the data by using the informations on the left side. You can import Excel data, text file data, JSON data. So various types of data you can input. So I'm going to input Microsoft Excel data. So this is the data I'm going to use for my showing purpose. So I'm clicking this data and click open. So the Tableau software already imported the data from the Excel sheet. There are three types of sheets or tables. I'm going to show the Excel file to show you what kind of data I have imported here. So this is the Excel file I have imported in the Tableau. You can see in this Excel file there are three sheets. One is order, one is repo, another one is items. So in the orders there are several fields or features or variables. One is row ID, order date, sheet mode, customer ID, customer name, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region, product ID, category of the product, subcategory of the product, product name, sales, quantity, discount, profit. So these are the variables or fields or features in the order sheet I have imported in the Tableau software. So these are the sheets or table that I have imported in this Tableau software. So Tableau is the software by which you can analyze big data through visualization. So for creating interactive visualization for your big data, you have to create the interactive dashboard. For that purpose, I'm going to take the data. So suppose I'm going to take the order data. So I'm dragging this data here. You can see after drag and drop, all the data on the sheet of orders it is showing here. So already I have shown you in the Excel sheet, the same data is got in this dashboard. Now I'm going to create the interactive visualization. For creating the visualization, we have to click on the sheet here. So after clicking on sheet, you can see all the field or features of the table orders are available here. So this is the dashboard. We are going to create one by one dashboard, then we will compile all the dashboard for showing the interactive big data for decision making. You can see in my data there are some mentioned ABC here, some map icon. So these are the data which is known as dimension data, and there are some data which are showing numbers, which is known as measurement data. These are the quantifiable data, I mean numbers data. First of all, I'm going to drag and drop the order date in the column here. So this is showing a yearly order. I can convert this yearly order by clicking here. Then you can click month. Then it is showing the monthly order. Now in the row, I'm going to show the category. You can drag and drop here, category. And you can also add the sales in the row. So can you see there is a visualization of your data, of your sales data. For more easy visualization, you can use these marks. There are different kinds of marks: color, size, level, detail, top, tip, path. So I'm going to drag and drop the order date on the color. So can you see there is a colorful visualization. You can also drag and drop the cells on this level to see the data level here. So can you see here you are observing the sales of the furniture over the period, sales of the office supplies over the period, sales of the technological products over the period. In this way you can create visualization of your big data. So you can give a title or name of this visualization. You can rename the sheet 1 as, so this is the sales over years or period. And you can see after renaming your sheet, the name is showing here. So we have done one visualization. In the same way, we can create another visualization for that purpose here again. So there is a new sheet where you can create new visualization. So in this sheet, I'm going to create a visualization of the region or state-wise sales regarding the product category. I mean, state or region-wise sales can be represented in the sheet. What is the amount of sales or what is the amount of profit based on region, state. For that purpose, I need to create a map where I will show the region or state-wise profit or sales for the product or sub-product category. I'm going to show the longitude in the column and latitude in the row. So after importing the longitude and latitude in the rows, so there is a map here. You can increase the map size by clicking here. I'm going to visualize the region-wise sales. For that, I'm going to drag and drop the profit on the colors. Then I'm dragging the sales on the size. So in this detail, I'm going to drag and drop the country or region. Then I'm dragging the state on the detail. Now I'm going to create the option for interactive visualization. For that, I have to drag and drop some options in the filter. This option will allow you for getting the information based on interactive clicking. I mean, you will get interactive change in the visualization based on the filters. First, I'm going to drag and drop the category in the filters. Then I'm going to drag the state in the filters. Then I'm also dragging the subcategory in the filters. For better visualization, I'm going to remove this region. Then I'm going to add the country or region in this detail option. This time you can see the state-wise sales data is showing here. If you click on this option, you can see the data. If you click on this, then you can see the sales of other region. So in this way, you can check the data of sales based on state. So after doing that, I'm going to rename the sheet. So I have given the new name, state-wise sales, by renaming the sheet. So you can see the state-wise sales that is showing in the map. So now I'm going to create another sheet by clicking here. So this is a new sheet, sheet number 3. So in this sheet, in the column, I'm going to show the sales, and in the row, I'm going to show the category and subcategory. This is the category, and this is the subcategory. Okay, so can you see there is a visualization of your product-wise and sub-product-wise sales amount. So for better visualization, I'm going to create the color for the profit. This is the profit. I'm going to input it on color. Can you see there is a better visualization for the product or category or subcategory wise profit. So for creating the interactive dashboard, I'm going to use the filter. First of all, I'm going to show the category, subcategory, state, so the reason for using the filter is that we can click these filters for interactive view of the data. I mean, whenever you click on category, then you can see the product category wise output or sales or profit. Whenever you click on state, then you will see the state wise profit or sales. So this kind of information will be automatically changed. I mean, there will be interactive dashboard for your data. That's why we use the filters. So I'm going to rename this sheet. So I have renamed as category wise sales. I have created 3 sheets. One is sales over period, then state wise sales, which is showing in the map. If you select the state, then you will see the amount of profit and sales. And I have created the category wise sales. So now I'm going to create a interactive dashboard by combining these 3 sheets: sales over period, state-wise sales, and category-wise sales. For creating the interactive dashboard, you should click on here. This is the dashboard creation option. So this is the dashboard 1. So this is the dashboard where you can combine your previous 3 sheets. You can see these are the sheet that is showing here on the left side. You can increase the size of the dashboard. This dashboard is showing up to this area. For increasing the size of the dashboard, you can click here. So it's increasing up to 850. First of all, I'm going to drag and drop these cells. This is the map. So now I'm going to drag these cells over period and dropping here. So this is the map and this is the cells over period. Now I'm going to drag these category wise cells and showing this sheet on the lower right side. So can you see I have brought all the sheets in my dashboard. So up to now we have visualized all the Excel sheet data. Can you see? If I show you the real Excel file, I can show you that there are about 9,994 data, and just you have visualized big data that by this simple dashboard. So that is the usefulness of Tableau. You can visualize your big data for decision making, for understanding the real scenario of your incident or event or the performance or anything for which you are interested to know the information. So now I am going to create the interactive visualization. I mean, whenever you click on state, there will be a change in the state-wise product sale, state-wise profit. So for that purpose, you have to click on this sheet. Then you can see there is option filter. So use as filter. If I'm clicking on this, after clicking on this, whenever you change the state, and then we change in the amount of sales as well as amount of product category. So I'm going to click here. So after clicking, can you see it is changing? So if I change another state, so can you see there is an interactive change of information. I can change any region. Then you can see there will be a change in the information that in this state, these are the sales and these are the product wise sales. For getting this kind of interactive dashboard for your decision making, you can use Tableau. This is the benefits of using Tableau. Whenever you change the state, then you can see the change in the information. I mean, you can see the state wise sales as well as state wise sales of product category. So if you want to publish this dashboard, then you have to click on file, then you have to click on save to Tableau public as. So after clicking on this option, the software will request you to provide your sign-in information. So after providing your sign-in information, I mean, you should give the same information that is given for downloading the software. If you give the same informations, so after providing your email and password, if you click on sign in, then automatically this option will take you to the online platform where you can see your dashboard is showing as a public dashboard. So you can see if you click on the region, so there is a change in the information of your monthly sales as well as category wise sales. So whatever with the state or region you select, you can see the state wise or product category wise sales amount. So I'm clicking here. So in this region, these are the amount of sales and these are the amount of product category wise sales. So this is the benefits of Tableau by which you can visualize your big data for decision making. And after creating the dashboard you can share for using by others or for taking decisions by the other authority. But this is Tableau public. This is for practicing purpose. Other people can also see this visualization and they can use this visualization for their own purpose. Thank you.